You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations of names and vocabulary, stay tuned, I've got more videos. This is named after, it's the name of a movie, but it's before that the name of a mathematician, a strip named after a German mathematician. That's why it's got an umlaut on the O. Now in German it's pronounced Möbius, because the O is the umlaut, is the sound, alright? Möbius. Now in English, two pronunciations are referenced as correct. Möbius, just like the German, and that is the German, both correct in German and in English, and Möbius, which is also referenced in English. So in English, Möbius is used and correct, but Möbius is more correct because it respects the German name origin, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.